An Indian civil suit involving Atheist Republic?
Wow.
So we're going to talk about some juicy legal developments.
Wait, there's nothing for me to show? No.
I'm going to show it. So you guys might remember, wait, let me find it. I have a lot of tabs open. Sorry, guys. So a couple weeks ago, we talked about this. What is this? So a certain Indian lawyer who has been after us, this is the second thing he filed in India. First was a public interest litigation in the Supreme Court of India. That is still just like languishing in the court process. But second, after that, and he filed that back in October. So in the beginning of January, he was going for round 2. Okay, so what is round 2? Let me zoom in. So on the 8th of January...
Tell people what this is about first.
Oh, I know, I'm going to. So on the 8th of January, 2021, this lawyer filed a petition in a local court against Facebook and the Telecommunication Ministry of India itself. For a petition has been filed against Facebook and the telecommunication industry in a Rohingya court in Delhi. So that means it's a local court. Actually, advocate Vineet Jindal has filed a petition to remove the derogatory posts written about Hindu deities. The court has accepted the petition and fixed the next date for hearing on January 22nd. So basically, you don't really see what it's about here. Where'd it go? So he filed this petition because to block and remove objectionable content against Hindu gods and goddesses by Armin Navabi and Atheist Republic.
Hey, that's me!
I was about to say, hey, that's me! So, yes. So for those who don't understand, this is his civil suit, as you can see here. Actually, let me zoom in. So he was filing a lawsuit against Facebook and the Telecommunications Ministry of India itself over our content. Okay. So we had suspicions that this might be why our Facebook page was blocked in India. I no longer think that this is why. I think there are other reasons. But why are we talking about this? Well, as you guys might have noticed from this article, it says, oh, the hearing was on January 22nd. Oh, well, if you notice that today is January 30th. What does that mean? That means that we now know the results of this hearing. Okay. So we would just like to give a shout out to our Bubble, who is our fantastic secret Indian lawyer who I have amazing conversations with. We are so thankful for Bubble. Wait, let me zoom in. For always bringing this to our attention, bringing us the latest updates, connecting us with people, being our court watch, like our secret sexy Cali court watcher. It is beautiful. And this is why I wanted to talk about lawyers who actually protect secularism, because Bubble is one of the most amazing at doing this and helping us further this mission of protecting secularism in India. So Suha is saying, thank you, Bubble. Yes, I don't think she's here right now. But
yeah, I wish she was here so we could thank her.
Yes.
Bubble is Batman of AR. Look at this. That's true. So what happened in the hearing, though?
Okay, well, so we have the judgment from the judge. We have the official documentation itself.
Dun, dun, dun,
dun. Are you guys ready?
Drum roll.
Okay, let me do this. And let me zoom in a bunch. Oh, wait. No, I don't want this toolbar. Get rid of the toolbar. God damn it. God damn it.
There
we go. Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay. So Here we have Vineet Jindal versus Facebook. Present, plaintiff in person. Okay, so this whole document is the statement by the judge. Submissions on summary have already been heard. It is the case of the plaintiff that he is a Hindu by religion and believes in worship of Hindu god and goddesses. It is stated that his religious sentiments have been hurt by the objectionable contents posted on Facebook by one person, Armin Navabi. Okay, they spell
Wow.
your name wrong continually in this. But
I am so triggered right now. This is like, my name is, they spelled my name in a legal court case with a W instead of a V?
Yes, but that is fine because we were never listed as a necessary party. So guys, I want to clarify something real quick. This was not a lawsuit against us because we were never listed as a necessary party, okay? It was just involving us. So a lot of people were very worried about us. Well, oh my God, a lawsuit, blah, blah. It was about us, but not actually involving us, which kind of like, we'll get into why that is a bad legal strategy in a second. Well, maybe I don't want to, that's not really what I mean, but we were not a necessary party. So it was stated, okay, so he has posted objectionable photographs. Well, it's not photographs, it's illustrations of Hindu gods and goddesses, and then some dates of these being posted. It is stated that a similar kind of objectionable photographs were shared by Armin Navabi on Twitter also, and on the request of the plaintiffs, those contents were removed by Twitter and account of Armin Navabi was also blocked. So here, the court, they are saying that he was removed from Twitter, that Armin was removed from Twitter because of this guy. Okay, that's the way that I read this. I don't know if that's true, but that's what this says. The plaintiff has raised objection with officials of Facebook, but no action has been taken on his complaint. So this is why I said that I no longer think that it is because of him that our page is blocked in India. Because
that one is probably because of we don't know, but it is the government or something. Because if you right now go from India, if you try to go to Atheist Republic's Facebook page, it says this is a content that is illegal in India. By the way, that means from the 2,400,000 followers that we had on Facebook, Atheist Republic's Facebook page, around 300,000 of them were from India, and all of them have now lost access to our Facebook page.
Yeah, that was our second largest.
Yes, after United States. After United States is number one follower from on our Facebook page. Number two is India. So we just basically number two country was cut off from our page. But go
on. So in this backdrop, this suit has been filed for relief or permanent and mandatory injunction against Facebook and the Ministry of Telecommunication through the Secretary. So he's suing Facebook India and suing the Ministry of Telecommunication itself. Guys, this is like if I was suing the government for something hurting my feelings. So first of all, this is okay, guys, real quick. This judge embarrasses the hell out of this prosecutor. Okay. And we're about to get into how this judge smacks down.
Because it's a nuisance value lawsuit, and judges don't like to have their time wasted.
Okay, so it's pretty hilarious. First of all, it is nowhere mentioned in the
this is the judge speaking now, right?
This whole thing is the judge. It is nowhere mentioned in the complaint as to how and in what circumstances the plaintiff came to know about the contents posted by Armin Navabi. If the plaintiff is following Armin Navabi on Facebook, then he simply can stop following him. And if
thank you. Yes, Judge. Yes. Oh, yeah. I love this judge. Okay. Yes.
Then he simply can stop following him. And if Armin Navabi has posted these contents personally to the plaintiff, then he may block him from doing so.
Yeah, and I would not do that either. But that would happen. Yeah. Okay. But go on.
It is not the case of the plaintiff that such content has been posted personally to him. Judicial notice to the fact can be taken that there are millions of users on Facebook, and if anyone opts to search for anything specific, then he would get in touch with any content which might be objectionable to him. If anyone is searching for any objectionable content, then it is there. Then there is every likelihood that he would see those contents, and then he himself is responsible for hurting his religious sentiments. I just love this. Just chef's kiss. Just
This is perfect. What
Oh,
we should get some people to cover this. We should get Hamad Mehta to cover this. This is about atheism in India. Why are they not covering this?
well,
Do you have a legal case where
I'm gonna-
okay, but yeah. go
well, I actually want to give you an update on the journalists I've been talking to off air.
ahead. Okay.
So, plaintiff has filed this suit merely on the basis that his religious sentiments are being hurt. But when he himself took the risk of searching for something objectionable, then no one can help him if his feelings are being hurt. In absence of
So he's basically
Wow.
saying offense is taken, not given.
yes.
What? No. I think he was saying just call the wambulance. Just call the wambulance. Like
Yeah.
the judge. You actually have a judge telling you nobody gives a crap about your hurt feelings. You have a legal document telling a lawyer coming down from a judge and like this is the first time I'm seeing in a legal paper a judge saying, "Who cares about your hurt feelings? Who cares?" This meme culture on legal documents.
That's what I mean. This guy is taking offense, but you weren't necessarily giving offense. He went out there looking for something to bother him and he found it. So it's the only person at fault is himself.
Yes.
Okay, we have to read that last sentence before you go on. Read that one more time. One more time, please.
Plaintiff has filed this suit merely on the basis that his religious sentiments are being hurt, but when he himself took the risk of searching something objectionable, then no one can help him if his feelings are being hurt.
Wow! Oh my God! This is perfect. This is so good. This should be me. This quote should be me. We should meme this part of the legal document. Wow! This is beautiful, guys. See, don't lose hope in India. We have good judges in India. Go on.
In absence of any personal communication by the alleged Armin Navabi to the plaintiff, which has never happened, it cannot be presumed by the court that something of that sort has happened. The only contact you have is one-time quote retweeting him. Moreover, Armin Navabi has not been made party to the suit, meaning that this isn't even a lawsuit against you. So, plaintiff has failed to show any locus to file the present suit in an individual capacity. Even if this court goes further to the category of public sentiments, then there is no pleading to this fact, and for that also efficacious remedy as an individual lies somewhere else and not before this court. So they're saying we can't even really help you because you're not, Armin
He
Navabi,
doesn't have standing.
He's
sue.
He's not a necessary party. He's not present before the court. You're not even a citizen of it.
Well, he also is saying that that it's locus to file the present suit in an individual capacity, which means he doesn't really have standing in this case because there's nothing that actually happened to him by Armin, and that he went and looked for the objectionable content and then got butthurt when he found it.
Yeah.
No standing.
So, no permission under Section 91 2B CPC has been sought to pursue the present suit by the plaintiff. Considering the facts and circumstances, this court is of the considered view the plaintiff has failed to show his locus standi to file the present suit, and suit is accordingly dismissed under Order 7, Rule 11A, CPC, being not maintainable. Any other application also stands disposed of being not maintainable. File be consigned to record room after due compliance. So, guys, this lawsuit involving us has been dismissed.
Wait, I need to go soon. So 2 questions. Can we use this as precedent for going further? Because we have a lot of plans to take to do things in India, but
Well,
regards to
I'm
all
no
this.
attorney. We should talk to our attorneys. I don't believe so. This is a civil suit, and we were not a necessary party.
No, I know, but you can still use no. The way I've seen, okay, again, I'm not a legal expert, so I don't know either. But you could always use stuff like this as reference for, you know what I mean? Because you have a judge having commenting on something. This is beyond. This is not just people's opinions. Now you could always refer, like, as you could see, this judge said this about this. So you could always use, like, now that you have this in a legal paper, you could always, in all future cases, you could refer to it to make your case. But go on,
in
Susanna.
civil cases, probably, but not necessarily in criminal cases, because they're two different.
No,
courts.
even in criminal cases, no, it's not it's not like I'm saying that this will prove to you that you're not guilty. It's just good for making an argument. I mean, even if it's not, whether it's civil or criminal court, even if it's neither of that, even if it's just like police officer's professional opinion is this, you could use that opinion in both civil and criminal court cases. So if you could use professional experience comments like that, you could obviously use a judge's commentary on a case going forward. Like, this helps us in where. Yeah, go on, Susanna.
Well, Matthew is saying hashtag better call Bobo, which I think is hilarious.
Well, I wanted to say
but one more
that
thing, guys, this is important. Although this is great for us, it was dismissed. He can appeal.
Yes.
So he just want to put this might not necessarily be over. He can appeal this. And shoot, there was something else I was going to say. Oh, there it is.
Just in case a lawyer is watching us, no. I just wanted to let you know that you can never stop Sexy Callie. Okay, Sexy Callie is here to stay, and everything you do is going to just make her become more stronger and more viral. It's just more people. You are helping more people discover your sexy goddesses. Okay, we're gonna blaspheme against all your goddesses. Okay, if we miss any single one of them, you guys better let us know, okay? And we're gonna sexualize all of them, both male and female, okay? And anything
in between.
Anything in between. And I know there are in betweens.
Ganesh.
We're talking India here, so there are in between. But yeah, so thank to this lawyer for in his attempts to try to stop us from blaspheming. He actually helping us funding all of our art, and he's actually helping us reach more Indians, and more people will find Sexy Callie because of all his activism. But go ahead.
So I think that you're right that you can use this in a reference in terms of discussing it, but I don't know what the law is in India, but in the United States, the standard of proof is different in a criminal court than it is in a civil court. Civil is preponderance of evidence. Criminal is beyond a reasonable doubt. So they are different. They have different rules. They have different procedures. So I don't know what that means in terms of India. I'm just thinking that it's probably similar since a lot of it's based on British jurisprudence, which ours was as well. And there's no damages either, is what he's saying, because civil court, you're looking for damages. Well, he damaged himself by actively seeking out something that was objectionable. So therefore it's not.
Guys, I have to go. But
my point is, it's good news.
Yeah, but just really quickly wanted to show you guys, this is because of all this attention that these lawyers are bringing us. We are making more art. This is the latest art that we made. If you guys want to know what the story behind all of our art is, at blasphemousart.com. You can see the URL here, and you can see the explanation for what this is. And also here is the next coming art. Oh, by the way, so you saw the first one we showed you was Hindu related. This is Islam related. This is Omar and Fatima. And the one that is coming up is with Mother Mary and the Holy Spirit. This is not done, obviously. This is
no, it's not Mother Mary. She's not a virgin when this happened. She's not a mother when this happened. She's a virgin.
Okay, soon to be. Well, no, actually, I'm going to tell you right now. This is like few seconds after she became Mother Mary. Okay, she like half a second before.
Jesus is consummation.
Yes, half a second. She was Mary half a second before this image. She just became Mother Mary. Okay, this is her being Mother Mary. Okay, so there we go. All right, so.
This is the Immaculate Conception, is what we're telling you guys.
And again, if you guys want to see what these lawyers and all the Hinduism managed to make possible because of the funding that they brought in our way, all of this art is at blasphemousart.com. You can see blasphemousart.com. All right. And also subscribe to our newsletter, because if we get removed from all these platforms, at least we could reach out to you. And guys, by the way, if you subscribe to our newsletter, you get a free copy. Where's your copy, Susanna? Get it. We're doing promotion. You get a free. It's not even promotion. It's free. Okay, so if you subscribe to our newsletter, link in the description, you get a free copy of Why There's No God. Come on, like I'm handing it out for free. Okay, it's a bestseller on Amazon, and you get it for free. So subscribe to our newsletter, and you get a free copy of Why There's No God sent to you. Link in the description.